she's sailing and how she's very motivated, and we have the same targets. So, and in Switzerland there are not a lot of possibilities to sail with other skippers. So I had big luck to meet her, and that I know her from very young. She's almost always on time, and she's doing her job well. She's motivated, and if I'm sometimes in a bad mood, she's trying to get me happy again.
She's focused every time, and she wants to improve every time a lot. So it's nice to sail with her because she's pushing a lot. I think we together we are a good team. So she has some good points and I have some good points. So together it's good.